MPO 2000 is the latest multifunctional programmable oscilloscope introduced by GW Instek. In addition to serving as an oscilloscope, it encompasses 5-in-1 functionality, including spectrum analysis, arbitrary waveform generator, digital multimeter, and programmable DC power supply. We have also incorporated the innovative feature of directly running Python scripts on this machine. Controlled by Python scripts within the MPO, it can achieve small-scale automation and semi-automation of test systems without the need for a personal computer connection, enhancing the efficiency of your measurement tasks. MPO 2000 comes equipped with various measurement instruments, making it particularly suitable for educational applications. Controlled by Python scripts, it can accomplish functions that were previously challenging for standalone devices. The ability to run Python scripts directly on the machine is especially advantageous for engineers and makers to unleash their creativity in various measurement applications. Under Python script control, MPO 2000 can communicate with external USB devices through the USB interface using the CDCACM protocol for collaborative testing. Connectable devices include the PSW, PFR, PPX, PL, GDM series, and MPO can also control external devices via LAN using the socket protocol. This feature makes MPO suitable for small-scale automation and semi-automation testing applications, saving engineers considerable time and effort. MPO 2000 is available in 4 models. The professional version offers a 200 MHz bandwidth with more bus decode capabilities. It utilizes more system resources during Python script execution, allowing the use of Python GUI libraries and control of external USB devices. It also supports packaging.py files into Python app installation files. The basic version offers a 100 MHz bandwidth with fewer bus decode capabilities. It uses fewer system resources during Python script execution and cannot access GUI libraries or control external USB devices. Although the basic version of MPO has limited Python capabilities, it can still execute Python apps that utilize GUI libraries and control external USB devices if such features are included in the installed Python apps. MPO 2000's 5-in-1 functionality combined with Python scripts enables various applications, such as BJT IV characteristic curves, LED IV characteristic curve, MQTT data uploading to the cloud, MQTT subscriber for remote control, event notifications with community software like WeChat. Component endurance testing. Automatic data collection in experiments. Measurement of circuit frequency versus temperature characteristics. Measurement applications combined with barcode scanners. MPO 2000 comes pre-installed with various Python apps. Users can directly copy the source code of the app from the machine to a USB flash drive. You can also download additional sample code from the GitHub website. We provide a unique Python app installation mechanism for MPO. Both basic and professional versions can install installation files with the .xpy extension. The professional version can package .py files into app installation files and lock serial numbers for specific machines. After the installation, it is not possible to copy the Python scripts from the machine. User-written Python scripts, .py files, can be stored internally on the machine's flash disk or on a USB flash drive, and they can be executed directly. Many pre-installed Python apps come with .txt parameter configuration files, allowing minor adjustments without necessarily modifying the Python scripts. MPO 2000 provides a GUI library, allowing professional version users to invoke the library in Python scripts to draw waveforms and charts. This capability enables the creation of user-defined menu screens and custom measurement functions directly on the MPO's LCD screen. The plotting library includes various widgets that Python scripts can call. MPO 2000 offers two ways to edit scripts. Using an external USB keyboard connected to the USB slot on the front panel of the MPO, users can directly edit .py files selected from the menu. Script editing can also be done through the Web IDE interface. Through a PC on the same local network, users can access MPO's internal web server via a browser, allowing script editing, saving, and execution. Before use, it's essential to properly configure the MPO network interface parameters and note the IP address. To access the Web IDE, go to the Python app menu on MPO, click on Web_IDE to start the dedicated server. Then enter the configured IP address in the PC browser's address bar, followed by the port number. Press Enter to connect to MPO and enter the editing interface. Simple script debugging can also be performed in this interface. In addition to Python applications mentioned earlier, MPO 2000 also features simultaneous display of spectrum analysis for 2 channels, with simultaneous spectrogram plot. Signal decoding functions for UART, I2C, SPI, CAN and LN serial bus, as well as for CAN-FD, USB 2.0 full speed, FlexRay, I2S and USB power delivery communication protocols. Web server and web control functions, enabling dynamic waveform observation and remote control within the same local network using a PC or smartphone browser. MPO 2000 offers optional software upgrades, allowing users to upgrade MPO 2000B's bandwidth and functionality to match those of MPO 2000P. With its 5-in-1 functionality and Python script execution capability, MPO 2000 can help improve work efficiency and is the optimal choice for engineers.